Love 21 is a foundation that was established here as a registered charity in Hong Kong. The mission of Love 21 is to empower the lives of those with Down syndrome, autism and other neurodiverse challenges. We also run a corporate social responsibility program where corporates can come in, have a share in and then get involved.
On the 1st of February 2023, my daughter contacted me and said that Love 21 had lost their premises to fire.
It took 300 firemen, 70 fire engines, over 18 hours to extinguish. And as a result, we lost our centre. It was heartbreaking. I didn't know what to do.
I went to have a look at the space and clearly there was help needed.
Paul was waving his magic and he introduced me to Gensler, top architects in Hong Kong, who said they'd like to design the centre for us for free. That then led to Paul also introducing me to TCG and to S&techs.
We worked with people like JEB, SOS, other different suppliers that we coordinated.
We worked with the JEB team to understand the site setting out, to understand how much product we want.
JEB very kindly dismantled some materials from HSBC, which then involved taking those materials, repurposing and installing them within the new Love 21 environment. The Gensler design focused around what SOS was able to provide. SOS helped with sourcing of materials and furniture, which again could be repurposed, installed within the space and used by both the members and their families.
The most critical part of the project is we want to reuse most of the glass so that nothing goes to waste.
The whole project itself was based around what we could salvage, what we could reuse.
The space was designed to be welcoming, creative, fun and inspiring for the children and family to enjoy, learn and grow.
They basically went from a dilapidated old space to something that is fully functional and lovely.
There's a whole community that's come together. I'm very proud to be a part of that community. We now are in a great space.
The end result of the project was just heartwarming because what we saw was the occupancies and the members of Love 21 utilising the space for what it was meant for.
Love 21對我有咩意義啊？因為所有小朋友其實都係好特別嘅，變咗佢哋一齊喺個空間活動，對佢哋嚟講係好好咯。咁而家呢個環境咧係超級好嘅，
成個場地咧係好有水準嘅，咁令到佢哋玩嘅時間咧更加開心，更加歡樂。
We're always looking to expand our community, and if anybody watching this would like to come and volunteer, we accept volunteers through Hands On Hong Kong. All of our services are for free, whether it's a class or whether it's a cooking shop or whether it's a dietitian or whether it's a psychologist. Love 21 doesn't charge its members. Finally, I'm going to plug our annual dinner, our gala dinner. It's our very first one and it's on the 27th of April. It's going to be held at the football club. Please buy a table.